Guys, just see how it looks so yummy. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste it. It looks so good. And guys, I'm going to serve this right now. Where lazima we eat it yet now. It looks so good, guys. I told you all this, it won't even take 30 minutes. So let's go and eat. So if you wanna cook this, then watch the video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back again to another new video. Today we're going to make Chinese fried rice with shrimp. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. These are the ingredients we're going to use. You have our ginger and garlic here, and we have our spring onions here. We have our 2 eggs. We have our sugar. We have our soy sauce and our black pepper, salt, and some spices. You can choose whatever spices you want to use. You can just decide for yourself. And I have some little honey here. Before I'm going to use it so that it can finish, also to make the taste a little bit better. And guys, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. First step, you're going to add oil into our pan and fry our shrimps. Yeah. You're gonna add our black pepper. We're gonna just spice to like make it have a nice taste and smell. Just gonna do like this on our shrimps, and then we're gonna add in a little bit of salt. Just a little bit, not too much. Yeah, that's enough. The oil is ready. I don't know where the smoke is coming from. I think from the pan there's something under it. I'm going now to add in. I'm going to test if it's ready. The small one is not yet ready, so we have to wait. You can see now the oil is ready. I'm going to add in our shrimp. Guys, you don't know how to overcook everything. Once you see it's becoming pink, you turn on the other side. As you can see something, because the steam is too much, I'm just trying to change on the other side. Yeah, the steam is too much. This is how it looks like. The steam doesn't want me to record. Like in Africa. We're going to add in a little bit of ginger and garlic paste, and then just fry. Guys, I just put a paste of garlic and ginger, and now it looks good. We're just going to remove it now from the pan, and then we fry our rice. And then cooking this rice, Japanese rice, is very, very easy and very, very fast once you have boiled everything. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Guys, I just removed the shrimp from the pan. Now I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And then I don't want to wash the pan because I'm still going to cook the same food here. So I'm going to add in our spring onion, the white part. And then we fry it. We're now going to add in our veggies, our peas and maize. And then we stir it again. For this recipe, you have to like boil everything. You have to like boil everything fast, and then now you can start cooking. So the maize and the peas and the the green bone are already boiled. Now I'm just going to be cooking everything so fast. So right now I'm going to add in my spices. Add in our black pepper, a little bit of black pepper. I love Royco so much, so I'm going to add in my Royco. You can never go wrong with the Royco. So add in this blend with the taste. Now we're going to add in our rice, and then we stir it well. guys, here is our rice. It looks so beautiful. And we need to add in now our sugar. I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to do it the African way. Yeah. And then we're gonna add in our soy sauce. I'm using my left hand, so I'm going to, you have to put like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Let's see, that's like 1, another one, like 2. And then we mix it well. Guys, after adding soy sauce, this is how it looks like. Then we're gonna add in our green spring onions and let it cook. Guys, now comes the best part that I've been waiting for. We're going to add in our 2 eggs. So I'm going to form a hole here in the middle. Oops. And don't let your food burn. You see the pan? Hope you can see the pan, guys. The pan is very clear. Nothing is burning. So you have to make sure your food doesn't burn. So we're gonna form a hole here. Hope you can see. And then you put a egg here inside, and then you stir it. We are done cooking it. That's what I was saying. I just put my 2 eggs there, and then I'm going to stir it now. I'm gonna let it cook. This heat is going to cook. Guys, this is our rice. As you can see, it's looking so yummy. And now we're going to add in our shrimp inside, and then we are done cooking it. We add in now our shrimp inside. Oh, it looks good. And then we stir it, guys. I don't know if I can stir with 1 hand, but I'm going to try so that you guys see how it's going to look. Oh, I should have bought more shrimps because it's not enough. Guys, just see how it looks so yummy. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste it. It looks so good. And guys, I'm going to serve this right now. Where lazima we eat it yet now. It looks so good, guys. I told you all this, it won't even take 30 minutes. So let's go and eat. So guys, here is the end product. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to comment and to share, and also to subscribe and to turn the bell notification on so that you don't miss the next video. Bye bye.